We haven't done one of these in a minute. Cold start. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I think I'm gonna need to do a spark plug change very soon. Well, welcome back to another video, guys. I appreciate y'all for tuning in to another video. But right now we is headed to a supercar Sunday car meet. It's not all supercars, it's usually all types of variety cars. I haven't got to this one in like, I want to say a couple months now. So seen the flyers, seen that they're hosting one today, why not pull up? So that's what we're doing. And it is a little early, well, 8:14. It started at 7, so it's like an hour late, but should be pulling up in just good timing. But if you guys are all having a beautiful, amazing day, make sure y'all hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, be part of the family. And also, I appreciate y'all for showing so much love on the last video. You guys absolutely killed it with the love. And for all the new subscribers, welcome to the channel. I appreciate y'all. And let's get right into it. Wow, does the booper look good right now? Damn. So we have officially made it, and it's low-key popping today. Not gonna lie, we got an NSX right behind us. Beautiful, so clean. He could park however he wants because he's an NSX. But look, we got some Corvettes, GTRs. Nice little turnout today. Got our coffee. We got our cafe. Ooh, the Ferrari. There was an X3M over there that I like. It looked really clean. Let's take a nice little walk, see what we see, man. See if we see some exotic. Oh my gosh. All right, hold on. Let's go over here. We see a McCleasy. The McCleasy right here with the, look at the exhaust system, how it comes out on the top like that. Woo! I wonder if he shoots flames or if that's just like the stock way it comes out. Nah, he did that. That's a cutout. I got an R35, F80. Man, this thing is crazy too. Nice. I got a Viper over here. That Dodge Viper. Ooh. Let me just have one, please. Cruising down the street in my 6'4". Nah. That's tough too. The R35 is looking clean, and then there's an R33 right in front, right there. Yeah, you know this Mustang's a fast boy. Next to the Viper, you got all the drag packs all around. Look at that fat old tire. V-Spec R33. It looks so good with this like cloudy weather. Why did I say that? Did you just hear me, bro? Like, it looks so good in this cloudy weather. I said it, bro. It's so funny. But it looks so good. And look, we have this one. You guys saw this one at Beamer Invasion just a couple days ago. Got more cars coming up. Oh, this is nice. This is clean. Right-hand drive too. Another one. That's sick. That R33, man. Just look at that. Ooh. V-Spec too. Teal one. This teal GT3. This color is really nice. On the BBS's E88s too. Oh my gosh. Tell me this ain't clean. This color is really nice. With the gold E88s, it just sits so well. Very done. Very done nicely, sir. And then I'm assuming all these rows are right here for the Porsches. As you can see the Carreras right here. Some GT3 RSs over there. It's the Houndstooth in here. Oh, the interior is so nice. It looks so good. Got a British Racing green right here too. It's probably not the actual color, but you know what I mean. Just look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. I just want a Porsche in my life, bro. All gray. Gray on gray right here. That is a really nice spec GT. The Stuart Little ones right here, you know? The black GT3. Clean. And a full-on race car right here, yo. Oh, they got the GT3S on the jacks. What? And this spec right here is just crazy. Like this purple with champagne. That is beautiful. No wing look looks good too. But you're just used to seeing these with the wing. White interior on this one. This is really nice. Oh, this one has like brown with houndstooth. That's really nice. The white right here though. Wish they rolled down the windows on the interior of this because this looks really nice. We got a Carrera GTs. 174,000 for this Porsche right here. She said that's it. Then go buy it in. The Porsche. Ooh, I like these wheels. How it has like the aero discs on them. This spec is insane. The whole kit itself. Look how big those winglets are. Those things are huge. Look how big those winglets are. The winglets are compared to this one right here. Normal 3RS Manthey kit. It looks so good though. Even this spec, the white and green. Like you even see this, bro. This is a Lamborghini. I wouldn't even know that. But the only reason why I know is because of that. The logo. It really does look like it has eyelashes. The way it's like designed like that. Whole ass Lamborghini right here. Gated as well. That's sick. It even has the stamp right there. Lamborghini. Crazy, yo. Look, you even see things like this. What? The speaker is like a nuke. This wrap is crazy. I actually think I know who the owner is of this car. This livery is pretty sick. I need to do something like this to my car. Like a crazy livery. And I need to do white wheels ASAP. I want to do white wheels so bad. The Momo steering wheel looks good. And the 911 Turbo S over here, bro. You'd be surprised with like cat deletes and all that, like a straight pipe. This thing sounds insane. You can hear the turbos like spool like crazy. The yellow and blue stripes, clean. That's nice. The orange, the red. What's going on? You doing okay? The yellow. Okay. This color is really nice. Bro, these specs that they're coming out with lately are insane. Like, I've never seen that color. Like that olive green type of color. Bro, that is beautiful. What is this? Damn, the color is beautiful. That thing is hidden. All right. Oh, the M5CS. Damn, hold on. I'll get back to you right now. M5CS with the ceramic brake kit, you know what I'm saying? The bucket seats. Oh, this is so good. Look at the bucket seats in the rear. Dude, this is sick. I would love me a M5CS, please. Z06, very nice on the HREs. Next to the Audi R8, we got the Iron Man spec right here. V10 peeking in the rear right there. You see it? Supra. Supra? Where? Oh, another Supra, dude. We got an M2, G80, F82, Supra, M340i. Okay. I see the lineup, y'all. I see y'all. Look, another Supra right here. Nice. From Florida, damn, bro. I wonder if y'all drove here or if y'all shipped it here. Yeah, this one's clean right here. On the BBS's bridge. Amira. That's the car, yeah. Lotus Amira. Look at this long ass car, man. This car looks so long.
What do you mean by that?
It needs some work, but you know what I mean. Look at the exhaust flaps. Look, a shoey. It looks like a clown shoe, huh? I just seen Dustin Williams get one of these. It's funny. Sheesh. On the BBS's rich.
That's so cute. I love it.
That's so cool. Look at this Ferrari though, bro. That's a pista, bro. Oh my gosh. I think it's nice. What are you guys looking over there? Why are you looking at my car so much? I seen them peeking in my hood. They're like, I see the titanium. You might start it up, guys. Let's see. Get a cold start real quick. I think it'll be nice. Straight pipe that, sir. Let that motherfucker roar. Ooh, the guys from Cali creaming all the way down from Fresno, I believe. Look at these. And they're twins, too. Yeah, they both look alike. Damn, they look so good, bro. Too cool. His twin brother. Damn. One got the clears, one got the red tail lights. I like it. They both got different wings too. They look so good, dude. Damn. Bro, check out this satin black Revuelto. This thing looks menacing. This thing literally looks like the Batmobile, no cap. Woo. I think this has to be a new kit because that front end looks menacing. This thing looks really good. On the black BBSs too. Dude, I want one of these so bad. They look so damn good. Damn. We got a couple of heaters leaving. There's a GT3 RS. Yep. GT3 RS looks so good, dude. And this dude's ready to run you all over. The Blazer. Come on, man. That paint is hitting too. That's badass. Next to the Corvette. Check out this dang pista, bro. Whew. This pista looks absolutely so good. And like the air just travels to the front. Man, it looks really good. Check out this neon green one over here. I think it's a Carrera S. Yeah, look at this lime green one. The camera can't even picture how bright this color is. Look, it shows it yellow, but dude, this thing is bright green. Camera does not do this color justice at all. Ah, this one, bro. We've seen this one from a distance, but now we get to see it up close, and look how clean it looks. Even the duckbill on here is nice. That is so sick. Man, oh man, to have one of these one day. Look at the interior, the seats, man. That's the seats for me, dude. The shift knob, nice wooden area. Oh, sheesh. Then the blue one right here, seat. Oh shit, fool. Need your car washed? I got you, bro. Yo, check out this Aston Martin. Oh my, this thing is nice. That orange and carbon fiber, like it looks so good. You can even see the carbon fiber peeking on the side right here. You see it there and on the hood, the bumper, all of it, dude. This thing is nice. Man, even the roof. Carbon roof. Must be nice, dude. We get a closer look at this Evo. Bro, this thing is nice. Like this color. Color is really nice. Just got it gutted. He's a fast boy. Oh, he's definitely a fast boy, bro. Bro, look at the battery and everything just exposed like that. That's insane. That is definitely a fire hazard, sir. Well, we got Chevy SS though. You don't really see these often. These are sick. You rarely see these. This is the LS3. My dad used to have one, but he ended up selling it because the previous owners had got rid of the cats, and just to get those cats was really expensive just for it to pass smog. And he was like, you know what, I don't want to deal with that, so he ended up selling it. But bro, let me tell you, that thing was loud with like no cats. That thing was roaring, like chopping like absolutely crazy. These are clean. I usually get to see these at the car show, but not really up close, so this time we get a full view of these two beautiful Porsches. Crazy how they're brothers too, bro. Twin brothers at that. They literally got like the same car with just little different styles, different bumper, different headlights. These things are so clean, man. Especially the red. The red hits. These guys did it very well. Very well. You could tell the different bumpers, rear bumper. Man, dude. I'm trying to show y'all everything about these cars, and they're beautiful. And another Lamborghini. A Revuelto. No, that's not a Revuelto. Just kidding. Look like a Huracan, though. It's a Huracan. I knew it. Look at the pink brakes. Hey, I see you. Man, that color is really nice, too. The Subaru. Okay. Okay, this is nice. I forgot what year this one is, but it's nice. I think it's an Evo 5, I believe. I think it's nice. Right-hand drive, too. America, brother. Man, that blower just sticking out like that. For this truck too, that red one, I think looks really good. Man, if I want a C10 so bad. Damn, I want one of these. Me. They like the Alcantara inside, man. They like the Alcantara. Yeah, dude. It's a CTSV for me though. Look at this, man. It just took my shot. This thing is nice. This got like 2 intakes popping out of his hood. Pretty nice. He got a fat ass tire in the back. What? Look at this tire, bro. Holy shit. Well, that tire is huge. Alright guys, we have officially left the we have officially left the meet. I don't know what else we're gonna get into today. Honestly, I don't know if this is gonna be the end of the vlog. I don't know what else we're gonna get into today. Y'all hear that T51 though? Maybe I should probably get clips for you guys, huh? How it sounds on the outside. Little drive-by clips.
We have them.
Have we?
Yeah, on the street.
Yeah, but it was like, yeah, I guess you're right. I forgot. I forgot about that. If you haven't seen that, go check that video out.
Met your wife in Vegas, but I hit her in Ibiza. She a supermodel, so she only eats Caesar. Used to date a rapper, but he